the relentless world of forestry, transportation is the ultimate game changer. Today, we're showcasing the industry's most powerful machines, built to dominate the heaviest loads with unstoppable force. Get ready because we're diving straight into the action on Rabbit TV.
Peterbilt truck is a beast. With its powerful engine and precision hydraulics, it doesn't just work, it dominates. The automatic features mean you don't have to be glued to every control. It adapts to the terrain and the task at hand with ease. It's like having a skilled operator inside the machine, working in perfect sync with every movement. Watching this truck tackle that steep forested incline is like witnessing a bull charge head-on. Unyielding, powerful, and deliberate. The engine is clearly a masterpiece, delivering consistent torque that doesn't falter even under such a massive load. The Scania 6x6 is a beast on wheels. I've never seen a truck handle steep inclines and rough terrain so effortlessly. Its powerful engine and robust chassis make it the ultimate workhorse for the forestry industry. That moment when the truck starts sliding and your heart skips a beat. Luckily, no injuries in this chaotic mess. Wow, this machine feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The automatic operation system takes care of almost everything, making it super easy for someone like me who's just starting out. What really blew my mind was how smooth and powerful it felt, even when handling tough tasks. That old W900A is a true workhorse. Climbing those hills in Carboneras, loaded down with timber, is no easy feat, but that truck just keeps on chugging. A weight of 23,690 pounds indicates that the JD548 is a powerful machine with substantial traction and pulling power. This makes it well suited for demanding tasks like skidding large logs up steep slopes or through muddy terrain. The journey from forest to sawmill is a significant part of the logging process. Once the trees are cut, each log must be transported carefully to the mill. This step involves not just moving the wood, but also protecting it from damage during transit, so it arrives in perfect condition for further processing.
Huge.
A 10-foot cedar is a beast of a tree, but with a 42 bar, it's a challenge that's met head-on. The scale of the job is enormous, but seeing that bar work through the thick cedar wood is nothing short of awe-inspiring. This is tree cutting at its finest: power, precision, and the right equipment all in action.
The size of that sucker.
Moving logs with this machine feels like sailing a battleship through calm waters. The balance of power and precision is unmatched, making every haul smooth and efficient. The fuel economy is a surprising bonus for something so powerful, and the automated features. The Pacific P16 with that 12-cylinder Detroit, it roars to life and powers through like a lion on the hunt. Seeing those massive logging trucks and cranes in action is truly impressive. It's a testament to human engineering and the scale of operations required to harvest timber efficiently. For anyone in need of a powerful and efficient wood chipper, the Chippo 8010C is a top contender. Its massive 780 GP engine, coupled with an innovative feed system and dual chip modes, makes it incredibly versatile and effective for any chipping task. Plus, the option of a 4-axle truck mount adds to its mobility and convenience. This truck is like a titan in the world of logging. With its rugged chassis and an engine designed to generate immense torque, it conquers even the steepest slopes without breaking a sweat. Watch as this beast of a truck battles its way up a treacherous red clay hill, hauling a colossal load of logs. The slick, sticky mud creates a scene straight out of a survival story, testing not only the raw power of the machine, but also the finesse of the driver. Each rotation of the tires sends splashes of clay flying, testament to the struggle unfolding beneath. I've seen the Fiat 619 tackle some pretty tough terrain, and it never disappoints. Whether it's climbing steep hills or navigating muddy tracks, this truck can handle it all. Ever seen a machine turn logs into firewood with such effortless power? The Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processor with its 125 GP electric engine is the epitome of efficiency. It doesn't just cut wood, it dominates it. This is the kind of heavy-duty machinery that takes your firewood operation to the next level, combining raw power with seamless automation. The Caterpillar 320 CLL is a powerhouse in forestry operations. With its Cat 3066T diesel engine delivering 143 GP, this machine is built for tough tasks. The purpose-built 36-AW live heel, front and heavy-duty undercarriage optimize log loading and shovel logging, making it a top choice for demanding environments. Its durability and efficiency set it apart from the competition. When it comes to forwarders, the VIMEC 870 is in a class of its own. Its combination of power, precision, and versatility sets it apart from the competition. If you're looking for a machine that can handle any forestry task, the VIMEC 870 is the way to go. Winter roads are a challenge for some, but for this truck, just another day at work.
Vamos, vamos! Vamos, liggen, krijgen, liggen. Ja. Auto is trouw, liggen. Krijgen, hop, is hop.
Equipped with a powerful diesel engine, sturdy chassis, and sturdy suspension, Kenworth is capable of transporting heavy timber over rough, mountainous terrain. With a massive load of timber, facing dusty terrain and rugged mountain landscapes, this truck doesn't just perform, it conquers.
Mito! Marawa, Mito!
Forklifts are an important tool in the forestry industry, helping to transport logs efficiently and safely. They allow workers to lift and move heavy logs with ease, reducing the risk of injury and increasing productivity. Transporting logs in Finland is a beautiful mix of engineering and nature working together. At Oravakoski near Kuopio, truckloads of timber are dropped off, and the precision with which they're bundled and rafted is mesmerizing. The design of that 1948 Peterbilt is timeless. It's a classic look that never goes out of style. Even after all these years, it still turns heads and commands respect. It's a true icon of the trucking forestry. Can you believe the nerve of some people? Overloading a truck like that is just asking for trouble. The Tata Truck 4x4 is like a beast built for the wild. When you see it powering through muddy forest trails carrying a full load of timber, you know it means business.
Kata.
Ay, sarap.
Kockums is a name synonymous with quality and innovation in the forestry industry. The 822 skidder is a testament to Swedish engineering, combining rugged durability with advanced technology. It's a machine that's built to last. Lorry Sancut, overloaded. Yet the driver keeps going like a warrior on a battlefield. Even though he's old, his spirit and determination outshine the younger generation. It's not just about the truck, it's about the heart behind the wheel.
Buang semua lah.
Mistakes happen, but don't let avoidable risks be one of them. When it comes to reliable mulching in tough conditions, the TigerCat M718E is unbeatable. This 170 GP mulcher offers the perfect blend of power and compactness for utility right-of-way and smaller land-clearing operations. Built with TigerCat's legendary durability, it's designed to keep going even in the most severe off-road environments.
They said if we're in the area, we're from.
The Ponce Elephant Forwarder is a true beast in the world of timber handling. With an operating weight of 24 tons and an impressive 18-ton net load capacity, it's built to dominate heavy-duty forestry operations. Its Ponce K121 crane delivers a remarkable 220 kilonewtons of lifting torque, making log loading a breeze even in challenging conditions. The 750 by 26.5 TRS standard tires ensure excellent traction and minimal ground impact, perfect for sensitive forest terrains. Elevate your tree pruning with the key notch technique. This method isn't for beginners. It's for those who understand the art of tree care. By strategically placing a V-cut, you can stimulate new growth where it's needed most, ensuring your trees develop strong, healthy structures over time. Durability and iconic design, the ZIL 131 proves why it's still turning heads among collectors today. Slippery downhill roads are the ultimate test of a driver's skill and nerves. It's not just about controlling the machine, it's about controlling your mind. When you need to get the job done, the Scania R650 V8 is the truck you can rely on. With 650 horsepower under the hood, it's designed to handle the toughest loads with ease. The manual gearbox offers precise control, and the suspension system ensures comfort even on challenging terrain. This truck is built for serious work, day in and day out. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more techie goodness. Peace out.